Welcome to my channel, where today I'm about to reveal something that will completely change how you think about luxury travel on wheels. Forget everything you know about ordinary RVs. Because the 2026 Skoda Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a $700,000 engineering marvel designed to turn every journey into a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Sleek, futuristic, and loaded with advanced features, this motorhome is the perfect fusion of cutting-edge technology and luxury living. Imagine hitting the open road with the comfort of a five-star hotel, the safety of advanced driving systems, and the style of a premium automobile brand. That's exactly what Skoda has delivered for 2026. Let's dive in and explore why this motorhome is redefining road trips forever. Let's start with the kitchen, because no home, even one on wheels, is complete without a place where meals are crafted. The 2026 Skoda Motorhome kitchen is a modern masterpiece built to impress both casual travelers and serious chefs. It features an induction cooktop with smart sensors that adjust heat automatically, ensuring every dish is cooked to perfection. The built-in convection oven doubles as an air fryer, giving versatility in your cooking options. A full-sized refrigerator with dual-zone cooling keeps groceries fresh longer, while a sleek integrated dishwasher makes cleanup effortless. The countertops are crafted from premium quartz, illuminated by ambient LED lighting that gives the entire space a futuristic vibe. Hidden cabinets provide massive storage without compromising the clean design. And a built-in espresso machine ensures your mornings start with the perfect cup of coffee. This is not just a kitchen, it's a culinary command center designed for life on the move. Now, stepping into the bedroom is like entering a sanctuary of rest and serenity. Skoda has created a space that feels less like a motorhome and more like a luxury boutique hotel. At the heart of the room is a king-size smart bed with a memory foam and cooling gel hybrid mattress that adapts to your posture for ultimate comfort. The walls are finished in soft touch materials with acoustic insulation, giving you peace and quiet no matter where you park. Automated blackout blinds ensure perfect sleep, while ambient lighting adjusts to your mood with a simple voice command. At the foot of the bed, a 55-inch OLED smart TV retracts into the console when not in use, while underfloor heating ensures you never step onto a cold surface. There are also hidden drawers and wardrobes built with motion sensor lighting, keeping your space tidy and accessible. Waking up in this bedroom feels like waking up in a private suite on the road. The bathroom takes luxury to a whole new level and proves that Skoda hasn't overlooked a single detail. Featuring a rainfall shower with adjustable steam settings, it brings spa-like relaxation directly to your motorhome. The walls are lined with anti-fog smart glass panels that display weather updates or entertainment while you shower. A dual-sink vanity with marble surfaces and illuminated mirrors offers both elegance and practicality, while motion-activated faucets ensure water efficiency. The toilet system is eco-friendly, utilizing advanced filtration for sustainability during long journeys. A heated towel rack adds that extra touch of comfort, and built-in aromatherapy diffusers give the bathroom a calming spa ambiance. Even while traveling cross-country, you can enjoy the experience of stepping into a five-star hotel bathroom. When you look at the 2026 Skoda Motorhome as a whole, it's clear why it has become one of the most trending vehicles of the year. Its exterior design is futuristic, aerodynamic, and visually striking, making heads turn wherever it goes. Inside, every inch reflects modern luxury, with smart home integration allowing you to control lighting, climate, entertainment, and even kitchen appliances with a touch of your smartphone or voice command. Skoda has fused performance with innovation, offering advanced driver assist systems, adaptive cruise control, and solar-powered efficiency to reduce its environmental footprint. This isn't just a motorhome, it's the future of luxury travel, wrapped in a $700,000 masterpiece. So, what do you think about the all-new 2026 Skoda Motorhome? Would you take your next road trip in this futuristic luxury home on wheels? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible reviews of the world's most advanced and luxurious vehicles.